So here's the deal. The iPhone 17 isn't even out yet, but the leaks are already spilling everywhere. And this time, it's not even the phone stealing the spotlight. Nope, it's the cases. Apple cases. And I know what you're thinking. Cases? Really? But hear me out. This one's actually kinda exciting. Word is, Apple's about to drop a brand new lineup called liquid silicone cases. Sounds fancy, right? But the real headline isn't the name, it's the feature. These things might come with built-in lanyard support. Yep, actual cutouts so you can attach a strap and carry your iPhone around like a camera. Now, I've got to say, for Apple, that's a pretty big move. They don't usually mess with their case formula. For years, it's been the same old silicone, leather, fine woven, rinse and repeat. But suddenly, boom, lanyards. And honestly, it kind of makes sense. Because let's be real, how many times have you almost dropped your phone on a crowded street? Or while hanging over a railing to get that perfect photo? Exactly. Third-party brands have been solving that problem forever. Peak Design, for example, literally built an empire on straps and anchors. People swear by them. So if Apple is finally jumping in, that tells me they've been watching and maybe finally listening. The leaked images show two styles, one with a ripple texture around the MagSafe ring, and another with a smoother, glossier look, something Apple is apparently calling a liquid glass effect. Translation: it looks shinier and fancier than your typical silicone. Honestly, it actually looks pretty nice. But the lanyard cutouts? That's the real story here. Because for the first time, Apple cases aren't just about looking clean and minimal. They're about function. And it's about time. Imagine this. You're traveling, walking through a pack market, or climbing a trail for that sunset shot. Instead of clutching your $1,000 phone like it's made of glass, you just clip it to a strap and relax. No slips. No panic. Just peace of mind. Now, we won't know for sure until Apple takes the stage this fall. But if this leak is legit, these liquid silicone cases could quietly be one of Apple's smartest accessory moves in years. Not flashy, not dramatic, just smart. And sometimes, it's those little practical changes that end up making the biggest difference. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.